The Totalkare TR23 commercial tyre changer is the ideal solution for customers looking to bring tyre changing services in-house. Thanks to its double roller structure and 4-claw hydraulic clamping method, the TR23 tyre changer offers a quick and easy mounting and demounting process. Thanks to its tilt-back design, the TR23 tyre changer is also more compact than traditional commercial tyre changers, meaning it will fit into most commercial workshops. Capable of changing tyres up to 1,200 millimeters in diameter, with rims from 16 to 22.5 inches, the TR23 tyre changer will be suitable for most mixed commercial fleet requirements. Learn more at totalkare.co.uk.